Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is about the oral hygiene products. First we have to introduce what is oral hygiene. So oral hygiene is the practice of keeping the mouth and teeth clean to prevent dental problems, most commonly dental cavities, gingivitis, periodontal diseases and bad breath. There are also oral pathologic conditions in which good oral hygiene is required for healing and regeneration of oral tissues. Those conditions include periodontitis, dental trauma such as subluxation, oral cysts. So, what is the purpose of oral hygiene? The purpose of oral hygiene is to prevent the build-up of like the sticky film of bacteria and food that forms on the teeth. Flake adheres to the crevices and fissures of the teeth and generates acids that, when not removed on a regular basis, slowly eat away or decay the protective enamel surface of the teeth, causing holes to form. Flake also irritates gums and lead to gum diseases, periodontal diseases, and tooth loss. Toothbrushing and flossing remove flake from the teeth, and antiseptic mouthwashes kill some of the bacteria that helps to form plaque. Fluoride in toothpaste, drinking water, or dental treatments also helps to protect teeth by bonding with enamel to make it stronger. In addition to such daily oral care, regular visits to the dentist promote oral health preventive services that he or she can perform including fluoride treatments, sealant applications, and scaling, scraping of the head, harder plaque called tartar. The dentist can also perform such diagnostic services as X-ray imaging and oral cancer screening, as well as treatment services as filling, crowns, and bridges. What are the oral hygiene products? The first is toothpaste, and the second is the oral rinse. Toothpaste, brush with soft toothbrush for 2 minutes. No rinsing, eating, or drinking for 20 minutes after the use of toothpaste. Oral rinse. Rinse 2 times a day with careful. In toothpaste, you can use in one time, while the oral rinse you can use 2 times a day with careful. Rinse for 1 minute and spit. If used in conjunction with the toothpaste, use the rinse first, then brush. The third one is the mouth spray. Spray directly into the mouth whenever relief is needed. The fourth one is the dry mouth gum. Can help to stimulate saliva flow for relief of dry mouth. Chewing regularly can help freshen breath and leave your mouth feeling clean and fresh. Effluent in dental hygiene products, mouthwashes, sodas, sweets, cake. These tempting treats are hard for adults to avoid, but they can be even harder on your teeth. As a matter of fact, 2 out of 3 adults risk losing at least one permanent tooth due to decay. But with the power of fluoride act restoring anti-cavity mouthwash not only kills bad breath germs, it also strengthens enamel and restores essential mineral to weak spots. Listerine. The new product is alcohol-free ball, a less intense taste but still contains a lasting Listerine for essential oils. The first is the menthol, thymol, methyl salicylate, and eucalyptol. Listerine zero kills up to 99% of plaque bacteria in vitro, more than other alcohol-free daily use mouthwashes. Listerine Zero also contains 220 ppm 0.05% fluoride for effective enamel protection. Essential of water. Drinking and swishing your mouth can have some dental benefits too. Water has a cleaning effect inside the mouth. It washes away debris just like saliva, but because a lot of germs in the mouth and the food, we eat or acidic, this essential work is great to counteract the acid and increase the pH inside the mouth. This product can be found at Whole Foods, producing high alkaline antioxidant restructured, super hydrating water, not complicated at all. Just pour yourself a glass of alkaline water. It's a simple and convenient method to purify and add alkalinity to your mouth. Thermofit Occlusal Guard. Thermofit Occlusal Guard. The occlusal guard will allow your jaw joints and muscles to function more smoothly. It will allow the jaw to find its best position because the guard prevents the teeth from locking together. It reduces muscle spasm, clenching habits, jaw and when teeth wear and correct teeth. Where the occlusal guard is instructed, which is usually during sleep, you may have been advised to wear it during the day also, especially when you are tense and find yourself clenching and grinding. When flashing the thermofit occlusal guard, soak it in hot tap water, not boiling, for about 30 seconds. Place it in the mouth and bite firmly to seat it. This process can be repeated until the pit and bite are comfortable. Excess saliva may be present for a few days. You may find you have removed your cord during the night. Do not worry about this. Place it in your mouth again the next day. It may take a couple of weeks before you adjust to wearing the guard. When the occlusal guard is removed from the mouth, you may notice that the bite of your teeth feels different for a few minutes. This is to be expected because of the relaxation of your lower jaw muscles. After a few days, you should have less difficulty in speaking. Remember, any differences in your speech is magnified in your own ears, but it is as noticeable to others. Do not clench your teeth on the occlusal cord because this will cause muscle spasm or pain. Remember this phrase: from these words, never effort lives together, teeth effort. Your teeth should be effort when the guard is out also, unless you are chewing food. Fluoride varnishes and gels. These are the fluoride varnishes and these are the gels. Fluoride varnish is a highly concentrated form of fluoride which is applied to the tooth surface by a dentist, dental hygienist, or other healthcare professional. As a type of topical fluoride therapy, it is not a permanent varnish, but due to its adherent nature, it is able to stay in contact with the tooth surface for several hours. It may be applied to the enamel, dentine, or cement of the tooth and can be used to help prevent decay, demineralize the tooth surface, and to treat dentine hypersensitivity. There are more than 30 fluoride-containing varnish products on the market today, and they have varying composition and delivery systems. Fluoride gels. Fluoride gel is prescribed high-concentrated topical agent 1 to 2% intended either for professional applications in plastic or disposable trays 2 to 4 times 2 to 4 times per year are self-applied with aid of a toothbrush once or twice per week. The formulation are based on sodium fluoride, acidylated phosphate fluoride or amine fluoride. The gels are flavored but contain no abrasive cleaning agents or preservatives. Effectiveness of fluoride gel. There is a good evidence for systemic review that fluoride gels can reduce caries increment by 21 to 28% in children and adolescents. There is little and conflicting reports on the use of self-applied F-gel in the primary dentitions, and there is insufficient evidence to address whether or not there is difference in the efficacy of sodium fluoride or AVF gels. Colgate fluoride. These are the Colgate fluoride gel care. Carbamide peroxide. It is a tooth whitener. Carbamide peroxide, a mild antiseptic, also called urea hydrogen peroxide, perhydrate hyperol or perhydrol, is an addition complex of hydrogen peroxide with urea which has a mild effect. On contact with saliva, carbamide peroxide dissociates to hydrogen peroxide 34% and urea. Haywood and Heyman introduced bleaching of the teeth with 10% carbamide peroxide gels placed in custom-built trays to be worn by patients at night for 2 to 6 weeks. Floss threader. How to use and floss threader. Instructions. Use approximately 16 inches of interfloss for 4 to 5 inches of floss through the loop of a threader. Pass floss threader through space between teeth and or under appliance. Remove floss from floss threader and begin normal floss and use with your preferred dental floss. The gum soft fix. Teeth cleaner gently massage and stimulate the gums for long-term health. The gum soft fix can also be used to remove food particles stuck between your mouth. Stuck between the mouth of you and between your teeth. The fix spaces between teeth, bridges, crowns, implants, and braces. The fix promotes uniform blood circulation, which keeps your gums healthy. The soft dental floss is a good way to prevent against gingivitis, as it helps remove the plaque that causes the pockets to form along the gum line. Water flosses. The Waterpik Ultra Water Floss is clinically proven to be 2x as effective as strong floss at improving gum health. Removes 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and is 3 times as effective as straight floss for cleaning around braces. Convenient handheld design with 2 clips, lightweight, cordless, and easy to use. Clinically proven to reduce plaque, reverse gingivitis. Significantly reduce coffee, tea, and tobacco strains for naturally white teeth in just 28 days. If you have any question, then give your question in comment section. Thank you for watching.